in Denmark illustrates the danger of unprotected inflation. The operator is replaced with a dummy, and an industrial compressor feeding an Archon programmable computer inflator is attached to the airline so that the air pressure can be monitored under inflation. Otherwise, the situation which you're about to see is one which is all too familiar in workshops worldwide. The air released under blowout conditions represents a lethal force. To inflate this tyre to 10 atmospheres pressure, 150 pounds per square inch, it was necessary to compress 1,650 litres of air at normal atmospheric pressure to fill the space within the tyre walls. In the first few milliseconds of a blowout, the air seeks equilibrium, propelling both tyre and operator several metres into the air. An accident like this at your workplace could have resulted in serious injury or even loss of life.